miss your mom's cooking and wish that someone would just bake those delicious dishes for you? Well, Favoreat provides you the opportunity for you to enjoy those delicious meals when you don't have the time or skills to prepare one yourself. Favoreat is Turkey's first peer-to-peer platform connecting people looking to sell their food with those looking for fresh homemade meals. And our vision is to become Turkey's leading platform in food sharing. In Turkey, Turkey has a very young and dynamic working population who is in need for homemade meals, and also great talents who can cook and are ready to sell. Ultimately, through our platform, cooks earn more money and the buyers gain easy access to fresh homemade meals. Today in Turkey, there are about 6 million people looking to sell their food, but it's very limited. They can either do it via their social media, their blogs, but with Favoreat, we make them reach a much wider customer base. Of course, there are many emerging players, both in Turkey and globally, in the food space. It's a very attractive market, but we are the first ones in Turkey that brings you your mom's cooking. The website is live and easy to use. The cooks can upload the items they would like to sell, and the buyers can order with just one click. And currently we are taking 15% commission off of sales, and we are implementing a tiered subscription model. We are expecting 14 million TL revenue by the end of year 5, and that is just possible by acquiring 60,000 cooks out of a market of 6 million. Verda is a former management consultant at McKinsey, and I worked in supply chain L'Oreal. Together we have expertise in strategy development and implementation, online business, and have international work experience. With Favoreat, we are helping women earn income and have higher living standards and better economic independence. We are looking for $300,000 of smart investment in exchange for 20% equity, and with this we will acquire the cook community and enhance our IT capabilities and give the best customer service possible. Help us bring your favorite home cooking to everyone. Thank you.